better than crumbled Dubai chocolate brownies. Look at how fudgy that brownie is and the nice ganache.
Hello there, today I'm sharing pistachio brownie recipe. ब्राउनीज़ बच्चे बहुत शौक से खाते हैं और ये बनाना भी आसान है. अगर आपको डिटेल्ड रेसिपी चाहिए तो वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी. Let's begin our recipe. Mix salt, cocoa powder, flour. For now I have mixed 1 cup flour, half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and half cup cocoa powder. These are the wet ingredients for the batter. Vanilla essence 2, mixing it gently.
Too black.
I poured the flour mixture in the liquid or dry ingredients को इकट्ठा करें.
Yep.
And fold them together.
Yes.
Until it's fully combined. Spray the pan. Oven to 350. Added half cup chocolate chips.
Batter is thick.
Better.
We want it to be thick. You see how thick it is? So it comes out fudgy this time. We're going for a 9 to 12 p.m. Pero I'm just saying 9:15. It just sounds right.
Melt 6 tablespoons butter in a pan.
Wait. मुझे हेल्प करो हेल्प.
इसको मिक्स करना बटर में डाल दें. Two cups chocolate chips. Add 1 cup mixing. Pistachio क्या है इसका मतलब? Pistachio butter. नहीं because mix करें a spoon of दही. Mix them together.
Look at the ratio. We're giving our serving way better amount of pistachio.
Spreading chocolate ganache.
Dubai chocolate brownies, better than crumble. Look at that fudgy brownie and that kunafa pistachio cream